How you can make video with pictures and music on Instagram. So start by opening up your Instagram and then click on story on the top left of your screen. And now if you want to add multiple pictures, you just need to click on select and select your particular picture, so you can also add a piece of video at the same time. Then click on the arrow icon on the bottom right of your screen, and this is how it will gonna look like. You can also add or adjust the settings of your pictures like angle, its rotation, and its size and width. You can also add multiple stickers at the same time. Now if you want to add your own music, what you need to do is to click on add your music, and you can click on add music and select your own music. Now once you do so, this is how it will gonna look like. If you want to hide your music right now, you cannot do this. Either way, you need to add either your own music in a video, or you can simply adjust its size. You can also add your own text if you want to go with, just like so, and there you have it. Click on story icon on the bottom right and simply share it on your story. That's how you can make video with pictures and music on Instagram.